You can start your prosthetic makeup profession right away by signing up for the next advanced prosthetic artistry course at Bombay School of Makeup and Hair. This course is one of a kind and designed for both beginners and makeup artists in the field. You begin by creating wounds using a variety of products and techniques. These include cuts, bruises, scars, stages of burns and much more. You'll also learn how to do aging and its stages. After that, we go on to the next section, which is about creating ball caps and its application. You'll also get your hands dirty in a genuine FX lab, learning slit throat mechanism and its application. Students will next move on to create life casts, sculpting, making appliances and its application, hair punching and much more. Finally, you'll design a realistic character and create a real-life version using the prosthetic techniques learnt by you. Come learn from Bollywood's makeup professionals starting this January. Sign up for 5 weeks intensive prosthetic makeup program and start your journey into the world of characters, special effects and prosthetic makeup.